Say goodbye to blackheads, 5 natural remedies for clear skin. Today, we're diving into some easy and natural ways to get rid of blackheads without any harsh chemicals or expensive treatments. Blackheads are a type of acne that happens when pores become clogged with oil, dead skin cells, and bacteria. But don't worry. With the right natural ingredients, you can say goodbye to those pesky blackheads. Number 1. Steam treatment. Let's start with steaming. Steam opens up your pores, making it easier to remove dirt and oils. Bring a bowl of hot water, lean over it with a towel over your head, and steam your face for 5 to 10 minutes. Do this once a week to prep your skin. Number 2. Exfoliate with baking soda paste. Next, use a gentle exfoliator like baking soda to help remove dead skin cells. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with a few drops of water to create a paste. Apply it to the areas with blackheads and gently rub in circular motions. Rinse off after a minute. Number 3. Natural blackhead mask with honey and cinnamon. Honey and cinnamon make a great natural mask to fight blackheads. Honey is antibacterial, while cinnamon improves circulation. Mix 1 tablespoon of honey with 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Apply it to the blackhead-prone areas and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse off with warm water. Number 4. Toner with apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar acts as a natural astringent and can help balance the skin's pH. Dilute 1 part apple cider vinegar with 2 parts water. Use a cotton pad to apply it on your face after rinsing off the mask. Number 5. Moisturize with aloe vera. Finish with a natural moisturizer like aloe vera. It soothes the skin and helps tighten the pores. Apply a thin layer of aloe vera gel to your face and leave it on. It's lightweight, so no need to rinse it off. And that's it. With these natural steps, you can tackle blackheads at home. Remember, consistency is key. So give your skin some love, and it'll thank you. Subscribe for more natural skincare tips.